Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at some birds that are having a very nice time in an unexpected bird bath. You can see a little chipmunk out there, I think, over there on the left. But that storage container out there, it's the end of October now, and about a month ago I saw a blue jay that was trying to get a drink of water. So I went out there and I cleaned out all the algae and the dirt and the dead leaves, straightened it up, filled it with water, and since then they've been having a blast. So I thought maybe you guys would like to, just see them splashing around, maybe give you an idea for a bird bath of your own. Anything we can do to help the birds and the bees is a good thing. There's not many birds out there now because it's early in the morning, just that little chipmunk. And the video is going to be a little bit out of focus because I'm shooting through a window, 40 feet away and through a chain link fence. But you should be able to see them. It's mostly robins, blue jays, starlings, and a couple of doves, and a squirrel too, in addition to this little chipmunk out there. So that's pretty much about it. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.